smoking or flash photography. Thank you. Enjoy the voyage.
G'day, this is the captain speaking. Now that we're underway, I'd like to welcome you all. As the conditions of our voyage may be unpredictable, please remain seated at all times.
ต้องอยู่กับท่านย่าแล้ว
Stand by to die. Main action closed. Pressure in the boat. Flog the main ballast tanks. Let's take her down. Dive. Dive. Trim out diving planes.
ม่วนหลายเด้อ
Take it out easy. Catch her in 10 phases. Speed 0.6 knots. Steer 30 degrees.
สวัสดีครับ
All head full. Steady as she goes. As we leave the coast
ขณะ
behind,
นี้อยู่ใต้ท้องทะเลลึก
you'll notice that this is a popular spot for divers searching for exotic fish. Right running to 0 degrees. Set course directly over the Larsen Sea.
สวยจัง นี่คือท้องทะเลลึก
Thanks.
ลึกมาก 200-300 เมตรแล้ว
Our destination today is quite extraordinary. A newly erupting deep water volcano. Even here in the shallows, we can see evidence of such geothermal forces constantly at work. You can tell by our surroundings that they can make some pretty dramatic changes to the landscape. These remnants of an ancient civilization were hidden for centuries beneath the ocean floor. Hidden until unearthed by a tremendous volcanic event. Steer 40 degrees. Mind your distance to port and starboard. As we leave this long-lost community behind, the colour around us surrounds unity is a biological community, the coral reef, all shallow waters. It usually takes more than a year for a coral to grow only 1 inch. An amazing fact when you consider that Australia's Great Barrier Reef stretches over 2,000 kilometres.
ไข่มุก
Radar 1, superstorm ahead, sir.
No worries. Take it down fast and deep. All controls, 8 degrees down.
Down 80.
Level off all related fathoms. Set course to 70 degrees true. Steady as she goes.
อ้าว ขึ้นบก ขึ้นบก